Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious walnut atole. Yes, perfect for this cold weather. I am sure you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I am ready to start preparing this amazing atole. I have this little bag of the cornstarch. The flavor is walnut flavor cornstarch. I am going to go ahead and add it to my blender cup. Yes, the flavor, it's just amazing, and it even has color. I'm adding 1 cup of cold water, 1 cup of the walnuts. Look at this. And I'm going to add 1 more cup of cold water. I want to make sure that I blend it really good, making sure that the walnut is really smooth and nice and thin. We don't want chunks of the walnut in this atole. Look at this. I'm going to shake it really good, making sure that all the cornstarch is nice and wet. It absorbs all the water. And now I am ready to blend it. I am going to blend it for about 2 minutes, making sure that it's nice and blended, nice and smooth. This is going to take about 2 minutes. But let me tell you, this walnut atole comes out delicious. The flavor amazing. And if you love walnuts like I do, you're going to love this atole. Very easy to prepare. A little time consuming, but let me tell you, you could find the ingredients in any supermarket. And here, look at the texture. Look at the texture of the mixture of the walnuts and the cornstarch. Now, of course, now I'm ready to start preparing the rest of the ingredients. The 3 milks. I'm going to start with the evaporated milk. I'm going to add it directly to my pot. I'm going to add 1 quart of regular milk. And I'm going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Of course, the condensed milk is going to give it such a delicious flavor. I'm not using any sugar. Of course, here in this household, we do not leave anything behind of the condensed milk in the can. So I'm obtaining everything. And now I am ready to whisk it really good, making sure that I incorporate the 3 milks, especially the condensed milk. I want to make sure that it's nice and incorporated, nice and smooth with the rest of the other milks. And now I am ready to add the vanilla extract or the vanilla paste, whichever you have at home. I'm going to add the vanilla paste, 1 tablespoon of the vanilla paste, and I'm going to incorporate it really good into the milks. Once you've incorporated, then we are ready to take it to the stove and start getting the milk nice and hot. Once you put it on the stove in medium-high heat, do not leave it. You need to continue mixing, incorporating really good, making sure that you whisk all the way from the bottom so the milk doesn't get burned on the bottom. Just make sure that you keep mixing and mixing. Once it starts kind of bubbling, you are ready to add the mixture of the walnut, the mixture of the blend of the walnut. Continue mixing. You're going to mix for about 5 minutes, and you're going to notice that it's going to start getting thick. Now I transferred a wooden spoon, so I make sure that I really mix the bottom of the atole so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. You don't want an atole that tastes like burnt milk. You want to make sure that you are mixing all the way from the bottom. And once it starts boiling from all the sides and even from the center, then you know that this is ready. This atole is ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing recipe, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Look at this. Look how delicious and creamy this atole is becoming. Like I said, once it starts boiling from the top and from the center, then you are ready to enjoy it. Turn off your stove and get ready. Get your cup ready so you enjoy this delicious atole in this very cold weather. Look at this. Look how creamy this is. Let me show you how creamy and thick this walnut atole is. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it with your beautiful family in this cold weather and in these holidays. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it with a piece of bolillo. Your mouth is watering. Make this amazing, creamy, delicious walnut atole at home. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing walnut atole made at home with lots of love. Of course, you could enjoy it just like this. Nice and smooth, nice and creamy, and the flavor of the walnut, amazing. Or you could dip in your bolillo and enjoy. Excuse me. So delicious and amazing. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. So creamy, hot and smooth, and perfect for this cold weather. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing walnut atole. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.